Sign of the Raven, Chapter 7, Nightingale, the Brave. Aronia deemed her cousin immediate at one point. He always found a way to upset the mistresses she tried to couple him with. Most of the time, he didn't even show up to the arranged inspection. He was fully aware that fancying his luck like that was a privilege of the matriarch's male relatives. So, he made use of it whenever one of those aristocrat harpies in Rubinberg lusted after him. Never would he serve under a mistress ever, no matter the cost, that he had sworn to himself. But then, she came along. He'd never forget that afternoon, when he was trespassing borders and crossed the glade, where she was out harvesting herbs. He had made his escape to Aaron's stronghold from another of Aronia's coupling conspiracies, and meant to take his mind off things whilst hunting. Back then, he didn't care much for territorial arrangements regarding hunting grounds. She had sensed him long before he got aware of his surrounding, and challenged him to a duel straight away. Citing to him the law and order of her land while crossing blades, he'd catch more fire with every strike. He let her win, just so she would get closer. Admittedly, she might have won anyways, but it would have taken way longer until her blade threatened his throat, so that he could take a closer look into those shiny azure gazers. It might have been their first dance, but it surely wasn't their last.